Honorable Sam George, Ningo Pram Pram.
Ebusia me do ko piemu dia na me do ko piemu ewo eye Ningo Pram Pram constituency. Sam George constituency ebusia ekwan no etese bola. Ekwan na ye basa se team bia mimbodin. Ebusia haya Ghana Asem TV. Yembo hwi ne ko video a eye Arnold akopiemu ewo eye Ningo Pram Pram oni Ningo Pram Pram for the trick homo. Ewo akwan a enye ewo Ningo Pram Pram eye Sam George constituency ne wi a yebede hu komo. Ebusia yenkomra.
Honorable Sam George, Ningo Pram Pram. And this is your road. The side is weedy, this side is weedy. Convert the weeds to hair. Hairy here, hairy there, and the middle is red. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
This is the worst road in the whole of Ghana.
Oh.
The whole of Ghana counts the villages in every region. This is the worst.
This is the worst.
As you can see, they say seeing is believing.
Yes.
I mean, I stay just 3 plots away from here, our private house, and this is my business, as you can see.
So this is your business?
Yes.
These shops are yours?
Yes.
Personal
and there
shops?
Are other, this is a very big school. It's a private school that is like, a lot of children are in there.
Yeah.
And we have hotels around.
Oh.
People have planned nice things here, but because of this dead, the road is dead.
The road is
and
dead.
it's making our area look like a village.
Oh.
To my age, that's why I'm here. Otherwise, I will not work here.
You will not work here.
I will not work at all.
Why? But why won't you work here?
No car is passing by.
Oh.
I can't work.
It's very bad.
Too bad road. I feel as if that as a resting place. Even though I'm organized to work for drivers, no car is passing. So I take as a resting place.
Oh, Charlie.
Hey, brother, you are no, here.
Oh, speak the language.
No, but the bro, how? Imagine my time with Jenungo.
One pop, one pop.
One pack by you, one pack by you, one now more, no, but the bro, how? No, I joe. Kaja bene bono point up on a geo. Long pack by the bro, how?
How do you say the road is sick in
Right, behe
Your behe one.
Behe one.
Your behe one.
Bro, that's a behe one.
Honorable Sam George. Mpope. Numo mpope. Initially road ebe pale crowd. Road in pale one bit. Road in pale. Honorable Sam George. It's funny, but road war eme pale in here. Road the story road in here. One pope. Kay oma fe fast. Honorable Sam George oma fe fast. No ma link oma fe ni me oma pull strings. Na ma fe road and how war your area war me.
God bless our homeland, Ghana. Bless our homeland, Ghana. Make our nation great and strong, both to defend forever. The cause of
Ebusuya mo akaba be yon fan Ghana Asem TV eso. Ebusuya edi ameje so any promise. Video kwakwa share yi eye video a free Honorable Sam Nate George oye MP for Ningo Pram Pram, Minister for Communications, Digitalizations and Innovation ni Constituency ene ye debrawi. Na o share akwan pa Minister for Communications, Digital Innovations Constituency a ebusuya na esewani ensa okache. This is the member of parliament or no sorry or see yenjai no na ofa Ghana nyina ambo nebo isan say ono na ye MP a je say bibia obetimi aye the constituency ni me ya sure say o share video ni we ye no okura ye Ghana ni na obu afu say so if this is your constituency and na o sorry o criticize amount for ekasa te say the constituency eye heaven Ghana for ni be say and Sam George o constituency ni and I was sorry o mani yet to say o constituency there is no fault o kasaditia Ghana impenifo president vice president etimi from edin a me krampo ni mintimi mbo enam eye ebu a me wo e de masa ankofo ni nti mintimi mbo na mintimi so bi enka nchire eye wo Honorable Sam Nate George a o ye MP papa me respect wo na mom san sam ne de mintimi nka nchire wo ni nti no Ghana for se me mbusa wo say enti o constituency ni a na unyi wani asempu na obeyi obi de ni nti na ya na sign na ofili Ghana for se mbusa wo say utimi eja constituency we ho eba kasetia other members of parliament, other dignitaries in the country, but look at your constituency. Hwakwanya your constituency. Shensema eyetememufo na mo constituency nimpo eka. It should tell you that they are not okay with the work that you are doing at your. Mehu ye nanke ye bodama ye bo free fie. So if the people in your constituency are not satisfied and are not okay with the kind of work that you are doing, how on earth do you expect the citizens of Ghana or Monomu constituency to feel after seeing this video from your constituency? What person will feel listening? And you know, Sam George was going up and down last 2 years, trying to let Ghanaians know how responsible he is, how he loves the country. But even your constituency, there is nothing you've done in your constituency. Look at the roles in your constituency. Look at the roles in your constituency. But you go around criticizing people. But when someone criticizes you, you get mad at the person. Look at your constituency. Ningo pram constituency. Look at the roles in your constituency. It is time we hold you people responsible for everything that you guys are doing. We didn't vote for you to come and tell us what to do. We voted for you to come for us to tell us what you should do for us, not what you want to do. Yeah, but Elton wants to come and serve us. Not to come and tell us what to do. You were servants of us. We voted for you. You did not vote for us. You should start fixing those roles. School be a them share like bro. Some George that I know. Okasa on person be Kembi. This is your constituency. This is your constituency. And you say what? And you say you say what? Fix those roles. Fix it. Fix it. Fix those roles. I'm telling you, you need to fix it. Fix it. Unless you don't want to do. Unless you don't want to. But if you really want to, you need to fix those roles. Then we can have a conversation. We can have something to talk about. Ebusuya Ghana Asem TV. Better so to Basie. Now